What if I told you that the plain white powder you use to scrub your sink or deodorize your fridge could actually help bring healthy blood flow back to your private area? I mean every word, because for thousands of men over 60, including so many of my own patients, something as humble as baking soda has transformed their circulation, their erections, and even their confidence with their partner. I'm Dr. Sophia. I've spent over 30 years helping older men with struggles most feel too shy to discuss: weak blood flow, soft erections, low energy, and emotional exhaustion. As a professor of urology and men's health specialist, I know the best solutions aren't always pills. Sometimes they're already in your kitchen. Here's what most men never hear. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or soothing heartburn. Used right, it can boost nitric oxide, improve oxygen in your blood, balance your body's pH, and even help your testosterone work better. All of this matters for strong, reliable erections after 60. In this video, I'll share 10 science-backed ways baking soda helps older men reclaim their energy and perform with confidence. Later, I'll reveal a special morning trick one of my patients used with amazing results. If you're a man over 60 who cares about natural ways to stay strong and vibrant, please tap subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss these tips made just for you. If this topic matters to you, comment yes. If not, comment no. I always listen to bring you what truly helps. Okay, let's start with the first surprising benefit, and it's all about your blood's pH. Most men don't realize that as we age, our bodies can become too acidic. This quietly tightens blood vessels and blocks the smooth flow needed for a firm erection. Benefit number 1, balances your blood pH to improve circulation. When I first met Harold, 69, newly retired, he was deeply frustrated, not just with his energy, but with something he hesitated to say. Finally, he whispered, "I don't feel like myself anymore. My body won't respond like it used to." His heart and blood tests seemed normal, but deeper checks showed his pH was too acidic. This acidity makes blood vessels narrow and stiff, like trying to water a garden with a kinked hose. Baking soda helps gently rebalance your pH. Taken correctly, mixed in water on an empty stomach, it supports better blood flow, relaxed arteries, and freer movement of oxygen and nutrients. Harold tried a simple morning mix: baking soda and lemon water. 3 weeks later, he walked in smiling. "Something's changed," he said. "My body feels awake again," and my wife noticed. Balancing your pH might seem small, but it's the foundation. Better blood flow brings more oxygen, more life to where it matters most, and the effects ripple far beyond the bedroom. But baking soda doesn't just improve blood flow, it also fights hidden inflammation that's been sabotaging you for years. Benefit number 2, reduces inflammation in blood vessels. The quiet thief stealing men's vitality after 60 isn't always low testosterone. It's inflammation. Silent, slow, but relentless. It wears down blood vessels, energy, sensitivity, and erections. Samuel, 71, came to me strong but defeated. "It's like my body fights me. I want closeness, but I feel incapable." His tests showed no diabetes or high cholesterol, but his inflammation markers were high. Chronic inflammation hardens blood vessel linings where nitric oxide, the signal for erections, is made. When inflamed, that system jams. Blood flow drops, sensitivity fades, and your body can't respond. Baking soda calms this. Studies show it triggers anti-inflammatory pathways, helping vessels relax and nitric oxide flow freely again. Samuel used half a teaspoon of baking soda in water each morning, plus a 15-minute walk. In a month, he had more morning erections and energy. "It's like something unclogged inside me," he said. "Less pressure, more ease." But while inflammation is a big block, your body still needs the spark that starts an erection, nitric oxide. Baking soda helps here too. Benefit number 3, supports natural nitric oxide production. Ever wonder why desire is there, but your body doesn't follow through? Often, it's a lack of nitric oxide, the molecule that tells blood vessels to open and fill with blood. Thomas, 66, told me, "I want intimacy, but it's like my body's signal is gone." That's nitric oxide deficit. Your brain says yes, but your blood stays silent. Baking soda creates the perfect environment for your body to make more nitric oxide naturally. By reducing acidity, it protects blood vessels and keeps nitric oxide from breaking down too fast. Athletes using baking soda saw better blood flow and stamina. The same applies to erections. Both need fast, full circulation. Thomas tried baking soda with lemon water and deep breathing. Weeks later, he said, "I'm waking up with something I haven't seen in years. My body's responding again." But nitric oxide is just step one. Once blood arrives, it must deliver oxygen quickly. If it's sluggish, so is your performance. Benefit number 4, improves oxygen delivery to sensitive tissue. One overlooked key to strong erections is oxygen, especially deep in penile tissue. Without enough oxygen, even with good blood flow, erections stay weak or fade fast. Richard, 72, a retired fire chief, told me, "I feel like I'm running out of fuel down there. Everything's duller." His oxygen saturation was low, common as acidity or inflammation rises with age. Baking soda helps hemoglobin carry and release oxygen better. Alkaline blood equals more oxygen reaching tissues for firer, lasting results. Richard sipped baking soda water before breakfast. Weeks later, he felt warmth and flow returning during intimacy. "Like things were supposed to," he said. That warmth, oxygen at work. But oxygen isn't just for arousal. It fuels the tiny muscles that trap blood during an erection. If they're tired, performance suffers. Benefit number 5, boosts energy in smooth muscle cells. Inside your penis, smooth muscle cells hold blood during an erection. Their power comes from mitochondria, your cell's energy engines. Gerald, 68, shared, "It's not just weak erections. It's like my system shuts off halfway. I run out of gas." His mitochondria were struggling with age and acidity. Baking soda helps mitochondria work better. By reducing lactic acid, it lets these power plants produce energy more efficiently. Gerald used baking soda 3 times weekly with light stretches. In a month, he said, "It's like the engine's turning over again. Not perfect, but alive." But your mitochondria aren't the only things affected by acidity. Your hormones are too. Benefit number 6, helps testosterone work better. Many men tell me, "My testosterone levels look fine, but I still feel tired and uninterested." Here's why. Testosterone only works if your body can use it. That's about receptor sensitivity, how well cells hear the hormone. Martin, 64, was frustrated. "They said my testosterone's good. Why do I feel flat?" Years of acidity had dulled his receptors. Baking soda helps by reducing inflammation and acidity. It doesn't raise testosterone, it helps your body respond to what you have. Martin used baking soda water plus light exercise. 6 weeks later, he smiled. "My drive's back. Everywhere, like a switch flipped on." But hormones need support from your detox organs too. Benefit number 7, gently detoxes liver and kidneys. A hidden reason men lose their edge? Toxic buildup. Over time, chemicals and waste overload your liver and kidneys. When they're sluggish, blood thickens, hormones imbalance, and circulation weakens. Carlos, 70, felt off. "My blood pressure's up, my energy's gone." Tests showed mild kidney liver strain. Baking soda eases the acid load on kidneys and supports liver bile flow. It's gentle, perfect for older men. Carlos used baking soda with lemon water. In 3 weeks, he said, "My body feels lighter." His intimacy slowly returned. But even with balanced organs, belly fat can sabotage you. Benefit number 8, reduces sugar cravings and belly fat. Stubborn belly fat after 60 isn't just annoying, it produces enzymes that turn testosterone into estrogen. More belly fat equals less vitality. Jack, 66, had tried everything. "This belly is ruining my life. My drive's gone." Baking soda helps stabilize blood sugar, cutting cravings and shifting your body into fat-burning mode. Jack drank baking soda lemon water each morning. In 4 weeks, cravings dropped, his belly shrank, and confidence returned. "I don't feel out of control anymore," he said, "but sometimes the block isn't physical, it's your nerves." Benefit number 9, calms the nervous system. If your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, even a healthy body won't respond during intimacy. Tom, 70, retired military, admitted, "Every time we get close, I panic, my body freezes." Stress and acidity keep nerves tense, blocking blood flow where it's needed. Baking soda reduces acidity, helping your rest and relax system take over. Studies show it calms stress signals from kidneys to spleen. Tom used baking soda with breathing exercises. Soon, he said, "My body finally feels safe enough to connect." Now, let's amplify all these benefits with one simple combo. Benefit number 10, works powerfully with lemon or apple cider vinegar. Lemon or apple cider vinegar boost digestion and blood sugar. Mixed with baking soda, they create a gentle fizz that enhances bile flow, reduces acidity, and improves circulation. Barry, 74, felt rusted shut after losing his wife. "I suggested warm water, lemon, and a pinch of baking soda each morning. A month later, he beamed. I wake up feeling alive, my mind's clear, and my body's responding again." This combo doesn't force change. It helps your whole system balance itself. Thank you for staying with me. Caring for your health and confidence after 60 takes courage, and I honor that. We've explored 10 ways baking soda supports stronger erections naturally. 1. Balancing pH for better blood flow. 2. Quieting inflammation. 3. Boosting nitric oxide. 4. Improving oxygen delivery. 5. Energizing muscle cells. 6. Helping testosterone work. 7. Gentle detox. 8. Cutting cravings, Joshua belly fat. 9. Calming nerves. 10. Amplifying with lemon ACV. If you've felt frustrated or ashamed, please hear me. You're not broken. Your body may just need gentle support to find its rhythm again. Baking soda isn't a magic fix, but paired with good sleep, movement, and patience, it can help you rebuild. Start slow, talk to your doctor, and trust your body's wisdom. You deserve strength, passion, and connection at any age. If this video gave you hope, tap like so more men can find it. Comment yes if it resonated or no if not. I read every word. Share this with a friend who might need it. You matter. Your journey matters. Thank you for letting me walk with you. Stay strong, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.